In this video, we are going to see that if you want to connect your Facebook account directly into Discord using an API, how we can easily connect that. Let's see. First of all, just click on the bottom right hand corner on the U icon. And then on the top right, you can see this little gear icon which says settings, account settings. Just go ahead and click that up. And under the account settings section, if you scroll down a little bit, you will find this connections tab here. Just click on that. And here it will show you the list of all the popular apps, including Spotify, Xbox, PlayStation. But if you can't see Facebook on the top here, don't worry, just click on +18 and you will get all the popular applications right here. Here is Facebook, just click on that. And basically it will take you to the login screen where you just have to mention your mobile number or email address, whatever credentials you are using for Facebook, and click on login. As soon as you log in, it will directly attach to your Discord account, and that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.